Now next sum number 5th. It is an unseen sum because it is not in your textbook. Textbook मध्ये sum नाही आहे. In a hostel there is a fixed charges for staying. Staying म्हणजे for राहण्यासाठी and some charges for a food. As food म्हणजे as a canteen प्रमाणे. Ram taking food for 20 days and monthly charges 6,000. Sham taking food for 26 days. Monthly charges will be 6,300. Then find the fixed charges for staying and food charges. So there are two unknown values. So that means there are two variables. First chapter. Okay. But it is a unseen sum. See, some sums are in board examination which are unseen. But very simple. See, hostel. If you are going for higher education and if you have to stay in a hostel, there is a fixed charge. Like a rent in our Mumbai for houses. Fixed rent. Okay. म्हणजे घर भाडं बरोबर. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 15,000 रेंट आहे ते फिक्स आहे अँड यू आर सपोज स्टेईंग मंथली ना मीन्स फॉर 1 month बट इन दिवाली इफ यू आर स्टेईंग ओनली फॉर 20 days and 10 days you are going to your native place, then also you have to pay 15,000. तुम्ही 20 days झालं कमी झालात म्हणून काय तुमचा घर भाडं किंवा मंथली चार्जेस कमी नाही होणार. इट इज अ फिक्स दॅट इज अ इफ यू स्टे फॉर 20 days or 30 days. So same in a hostel, if you are, it is a monthly charges that is called as a rent. Rent is a fixed rent that is 10,000 8,000. हां ते कमी नाही होणार बट युअर पर डे फूड चार्जेस मे बी लेस. सपोज यू आर टेकिंग फूड फॉर ओनली 20 days आणि 1 डेचं चार्ज 1 डेचं फूडचं चार्ज आहे सपोज 70 rupees. 1 डेचं फूडचं चार्ज म्हणजे आफ्टरनून आणि इव्हिनिंगचं मिळून 70 days आहे पर डे. सो तुम्ही किती पे करणार यू हॅव टू पे 1,400 फॉर फूड आणि प्लस रेंट किती आहे सपोज फॉर एक्झाम्पल 8,000. सो तुमचं बिल किती झालं 9,400 इज युअर बिल. 8,000 फिक्स इफ यू आर स्टेईंग फॉर 15 days 20 days 25 days or for whole month it is a fix. हां बट युअर फूड चार्ज मे बी वेरीज. जर तुम्ही 20 days राहता तर 20 days फूड चार्ज तुम्हाला घेणार ते 30 days लागणार नाही बिकॉज हे पर डेचं असतं कुठलं फूडचं. बट रेंटचं आता सपोज बघा करोना पिरियडमध्ये सम शॉप्स आर क्लोज देन ऑल्सो दे हॅव टू पे रेंट तर घेतलं जाणार बरोबर ना लाईक दॅट. सो स्टेईंग चार्ज इज फिक्स. स्टार्टिंग कसं करायचं सोल्युशन लेट फिक्स चार्ज फिक्स नावच आहे फिक्स चार्ज. फिक्स चार्जेस फॉर स्टेईंग इज ₹X and some charges for food. So charges for food it is on day per day ₹Y बरोबर ना. Fixed charge is fixed that is a rent and charges for food is for per day. If you are taking food for only 1 day so you have to pay only 70 rupees for example. If you are taking food for 2 days so you have to pay 140 rupees like that barabar. So what is condition? There are two conditions given because 2 persons are there. So by given first condition for Ram barabar na. Second person is Sham. So how many days Ram taking food from a canteen or hostel? 20 days बरोबर ना. बट फिक्स चार्ज इज सेम. सो X इज अ फिक्स चार्ज. लाईक सपोज हॉस्टेल चार्जेस इज 8,000 मी एक्झाम्पल घेतलं अँड यू आर टेकिंग फूड फॉर 20 days. सो 20 into 70 इज अ पर डे चार्जेस. सो तुमचं बिल किती झालं युअर बिल इज 9,400 फॉर दॅट पर्टिक्युलर मंथ. So by given first condition for Ram, X is a staying charge and per day charge किती 20. How many days he taking food? 20. So 20 into Y that is 20Y and total bill will become 6,000 for Ram. This is our condition number 1. Very important to make a condition. Now second condition. By given second condition. What is second condition? This is for Sham. What is second condition says? For Sham also rent is fixed. Hostel rent is fixed. Staying rent. But he are taking food for 26 days. So 26 days. Why? Per day. Why? So obviously his bill will become more. 6,300. This is condition number. Now you know how to solve this. By making the coefficients same. Luckily here coefficients are equal. So coefficient x same. So we can subtract from second 1. Subtract equation first from second. So x plus 26y, x plus 20y, subtraction, minus minus minus, cancel. Okay, here 6y, here 300. Now therefore y is equal to 300 divided by 6. That will become 50. 50 is your food charge per day. Now staying charge. So put y is equal to 50 in equation first. What is equation first? X plus 20y is equal to 6,000. So x plus 20 into 50, 6,000. So x plus 1,000, 50, 20, yeah? 50 into 20, 1,000 is equal to 6,000. Now x is equal to 6,000 minus 1,000 will become 5,000. Barabar? So this is our final answer. What they asked in last sentence, find fixed charges and for staying and food charges. So fixed charges for staying, what we assume staying x. So x किती है? Rupees 5,000 rupees. And food charges per day, that is rupees 50. आता क्रॉस चेक करूया. We can cross check our answer. Ram paying how many rupees? 6,000. He taking food for 20 days. So fixed charge किती आहे? 5,000. आणि per day चा charge किती आहे? 50. So 20 into 50, that will become 1,000. बराबर आहे. So 5 plus 1,000, 6,000. Ram paying. Now Sham paying 6,300. How we get this answer? 5,000 त्याच पण fix आहे. He taking food for 26 days. So 26 5s are 130. Addition of this will become 6,300. So that is also right. Barabar na? So this is a unseen sum which is come from chapter number 1. Okay, understood? Copy this.